Hey gamers! Looking for the ultimate Xbox controller in 2025? Today we'll compare 4 powerful options. Xbox Elite Series 2, Elite Starter Bundle, Core Wireless Electric Volt, and the Little Green Pet Deluxe Edition. Wait till the end for the best choice. Xbox Elite Series 2 Core. Let's start with the Xbox Elite Series 2 Core Wireless Controller. This one is built for pro-level performance featuring adjustable tension thumbsticks, hair trigger locks, a rubberized grip, and up to 40 hours of battery life. It supports Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, Windows PC, Android, and iOS. The USB-C charging and durable build make it a top pick for serious players. Elite Series 2 Starter Bundle. Next up, the Starter Bundle. You get all the Elite 2 features plus extra interchangeable components, carrying case, custom profiles with Xbox Accessories app. This bundle is ideal for tournament-level gaming or hardcore users. Core Wireless Controller Electric Volt. Want style on a budget? The Electric Volt Core Controller brings vibrant design, tactile buttons, hybrid D-pad, and grippy texture, all at a budget-friendly price. Perfect for everyday gaming on Xbox and PC. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and buying guides.